No, you don't have to, ma'am.
Why does it do?
Maybe somebody's scrunchie fell out.
Yeah, could probably do that.
Hey guys, welcome to our Saturday. We just had breakfast.
Yeah.
And we are about to go to Giant Tiger.
We're at Denny's.
It's a great little store. I mean, it's not like uptown, but you can find really affordable things there. And I saw it on the channel of some Jamaicans in Grand Prairie, the Andersons. I saw it on their channel and I went there, and it was great. Let me show you this cute little bag. It holds my purse and my phone, and literally nothing else. Maybe lip gloss.
The Vaseline.
It was like $10.
$10.
So you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna show you guys around. You should check out Giant Tiger. All right. See you now. I don't know.
What is going on? Mommy,
Yeah.
look at this.
Give me. Can't fit me, not true. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop.
Look at this.
Doing something. All of them say 9 to 11.
I didn't know I could do this. Mommy, can I take one of these balls?
They don't seem to have a different side.
Will you take one of the balls?
Sure. That ugly one? Really? That ugly one?
What do you mean?
It's ugly. But if that's what you like.
Yeah, I just like it.
Okay.
You have to pay for it.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to
Shit. No. Put it back. Put it in there. Shoes. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot. The body shop. Doing something unholy.
Mommy, I've never done one of these jackets before.
See that? $10.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I have one of these jackets before.
Go by your mom.
Okay. What about these ones? These cute white ones. Mommy, how about these cute white ones?
They're not comfortable.
They're not comfortable?
Nope.
Mommy, how could you say that? They tried so hard to make these.
Okay, but that didn't work.
You say that every time.
Because you're always saying that they're trying.
Ugh.
Mm. Doing something unholy. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what's that before the eye.
What?
What's that before the eye?
This?
No. Not the D. Yeah.
R.
That does not look like an R.
I know, but it's an R anyway. So, yeah, just browsing the stuff that they have. I mean, obviously they're not high-end stuff, but you could find some great stuff if you know what you're looking for, or, you know. Mommy don't know Daddy's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Not buying you new glasses. You don't even know where the ones you have are. So long as you're just looking. Mo. Okay, Mo.
I don't have one of those, Mommy.
That's okay.
Boop, boop, boop. Love it.
Unlove it.
Huh?
Unlove it.
No, I'm not gonna unlove it. I'm gonna love it forever. I want cotton candy. Really? Mommy, careful, be careful, careful. Forget it, and can go right.
These are $6. It's nice, but it's so faint.
Being I want good tea pot. I want good tea pot. I want black tea pot. I want a good one. Not that one. Not when I eat. When I steal, I want that one. I want the black one. Mommy, what's this? What's the light? I don't see this.
On the same item in stock, we'll repeat it. Some exceptions apply. Speak to an associate today or visit
I think
gianttiger.com
they're
for full
purple
details.
and white. That's what I said. Give mommy phone.
It should be.
Are you wearing an undershirt under the dress? Why?
Give me the phone.
Now you look like you're naked. Look.
Guys, these are the bags I was
looks
showing
like
you, and guess what? So it's got $5. See that? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Good job. I know she's counting, but we'll just pretend that I know what's going on. Okay?
I'm counting in French.
She's counting in French. Come.
Mommy, did you see me open that by myself?
Good job.
Thank you. I'm gonna do this by myself.
Wait. Let me make it twist off. Ugh. Whoa.
Wait. And I need to hurry up and get home
Like
because
this.
I need to use the bathroom.
Okay. Wait. There we go. There you go.
Air myself.
Okay, I got it. Just. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. High five. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So that's our Saturday hang. Bada boom, bada
Bye.
bing. So that's our Saturday hang. I think that there
Because
is a lot
I have on tiny shorts.
You want everybody to see you wearing tiny shorts. I'm not ready for that stage of life here. I don't know, man. I'm not ready for it. Anyway, yeah.